Hello students, welcome to the EVS class. I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number is 11, Mapping the Neighborhood. About the chapter, you have already learned to find your way around your neighborhood and an introductory mapping process. Now you will learn more about locating places in the neighborhood and further use of symbols and landmarks. Look at the picture given alongside. It shows Nipper's house and her neighborhood. There are many places in her neighborhood such as school, market, post office, hospital and temple. When she has to go to these places, she starts from her houses and reaches there. By going to these places regularly, she knows their location. But what happens if she wants to go to place which she has never visited before? The best way to remember such places is to look for some landmarks such as a school, a hospital, a tree, a signboard, or a bus stand. Landmarks are references, points, or places that help us to locate a place we want to reach. Let's examine the sketch given on the next page. A sketch is a drawing of a place. It usually has symbols to represent important place. This is a sketch of a place where Sam lives. With the help of arrows guide him to his school, pond, market, grocery shop, park. Picture. Now students, this is your task. What are direction? We frequently use the words left, right, behind and in front of. We can often use these words to tell the way to some places. Stretch your arms. Now stretch your arms, students. Stretch your arms in such a way that your right arm points towards the morning sun. Your right arm indicates east as the sun rises in the east. Your left arm indicates west. North is in front and south is behind you. There are four main cardinal directions: east, west, north and south. There are four sub-directions or inter-cardinal directions also: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. A map also shows directions. Look at the map. Do you know? While sitting on your seat in the class, write the names of the objects that are left of you, right of you, behind you, in front of you. What is a map? A map is a drawing of an area or part of it on a flat surface like a paper. A book of maps is called an atlas. Map shows different countries, rivers, mountains, oceans, desert, etc. Whenever we need to find a country, a city or a particular place, we open up a map and locate the place. A scale of a map helps us to find the distance between two places. For example, if distance between two places on the map is 5 centimeter and our scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, then 5 centimeter on map is the same as 500 kilometer on ground. Thus, using the scale, we can measure the distance between two places. The first number in a scale is always 1, but the second number can be different. A scale is always given in the corner of the map. What is estimation of distance? We generally say the garden is about 100 steps from my house, or my school is just 1 kilometer away from my house. These statements give us an idea, estimation about the distance. Estimation of distance is important for making an rough sketch or map of a place. Do you know, if two places on the earth are 300 kilometers away from each other and the distance between them is 6 centimeters on the map. What is the scale of the map? Give me the answer, students, in the next class. What is the language of a map? Language of a map refers to things like signs, symbols, colors and map scale which help us to read and understand the map. Each map tells us a story. We can read this story if we know the language of map. Let us read about them in detail. Sign and symbols. Maps are very informative as they show large number of features. It is not possible to write all the names of rivers, mountains and cities. So we use signs and symbols. Look at the sign and symbols, students. Common signs and symbols. Temple, bridge, river, capital city, church, town. Different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies. Blue color, river, ocean and seas. Green color, lowlands, plains. Orange color, lands higher than plateau. Brown color, highlands and mountains. Yellow color, the desert. Look at the map, students. Okay, students. Now we are going to conclude our chapter with the remember points. The best way to locate a place is to remember some landmark such as a school, a hospital, etc. A sketch is a drawing of a place. The four main cardinal directions are east, west, north, south. Four sub-directions or inter-cardinal directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. A map is a drawing of an area or part of it on a flat surface like paper. A scale of map helps us to find the distance between two places. Signs, symbols, colors and scale of a map help us to read a map. Okay, students. Now we are here going to close our chapter. We will meet our next chapter. Okay. Keep study and take care. Bye bye, students.